Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Sabudana Khichdi, an easy guide to a delicious and popular Indian dish. The first crucial step is preparing your sabudana, also known as tapioca pearls. You'll want to rinse them well under running water until the water runs clear. Then, soak 1 cup of sabudana in just 1/2 cup of water for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight. This ensures they become perfectly soft and fluffy, ready for cooking. Now that your sabudana is perfectly soaked, let's gather the other essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of the soaked sabudana, 1/2 cup of roasted peanuts, and 2 medium-sized potatoes, peeled and diced into small, even pieces. Also, prepare 2 green chilies, finely chopped, and 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger paste. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee, and a pinch of cumin seeds to start our tempering. Let's begin cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee in a large pan or wok over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds, releasing their aroma. Next, add your diced potatoes and sauté them until they are tender and develop a light golden brown color. Then, stir in the chopped green chilies and ginger paste, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Almost there. Now, add the perfectly soaked sabudana and the roasted peanuts to the pan. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, or to your taste. Gently mix all the ingredients together, ensuring the sabudana doesn't stick. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the sabudana pearls become translucent. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a burst of flavor. Serve hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.